Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. Today I am going to make a very unique steam distilled face serum recipe. This serum is very potent and is a true skin elixir as it is rich in antioxidants. Making the serum is easy, but you have to follow certain steps precisely. If you follow this method, you will get perfect steam distilled face serum each time. For making the serum, collect fresh neem leaves. Wash and take 2 big bunches of neem leaves in a pot. Now take a very small bunch of vetiver root. Add it to the pot. Now take a tablespoon of dried white turmeric pieces and pound lightly to break them. Add them to the pot too. Add water till all the ingredients are fully immersed. Now place a small cup or a pot in the middle. Light the fire. Now invert the lid and place it over the bowl so that the lid knob is above the small bowl. This is very important, else the condensed liquid will not drip into the small pot. Always use a lid with a knob for this method. Now place ice cubes on top. When the mixture boils, the steam will rise, hit the lid and will condense and drip into the small pot. Let the mixture boil for an hour. Halfway through cooking, add in some more ice cubes to bring down the temperature of the lid. Also, make sure to check the water level of the mixture and add more water if necessary. After an hour, remove the lid and remove the inner pot. Let the mixture cool completely. This is the amount of serum I got. Though the amount is less, it is very potent. To use, every day before going to bed, wash your face and pat dry. Take little bit of the serum in a piece of cotton and apply it all over the face and neck. It will get absorbed quickly into the skin. This is the base recipe. You can add an aloe vera gel or glycerin or vitamin E as per your preference and your skin type. This serum has antioxidant and anti-aging properties. It helps soothe the skin and keeps it hydrated. Neem, white turmeric and vetiver have wonderful antibacterial properties. So this serum will treat all skin infections. Since we are using white turmeric, it won't stain the skin. And the serum will help even out the skin tone very effectively. This serum will last well at room temperature for 3 days and in the fridge for about 2 weeks. Try this without fail. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information about herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.